Hey guys, it's HavasuLew. We are on our way to check out a brand new listing, a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home with an RV garage inside of Sun Lake Village. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, right here at 2411 Dawn Drive in Sun Lake Village. This one was just listed for $769.9. Not even a sign in the yard yet. Not a lot of stuff comes up in this planned unit development out here. People tend to move here and kind of stay. There is building guidelines in here. Everything has a tile roof, and he has to meet architectural guidelines when it was built. It is in an HOA. Quarterly dues are $230. So being one of the few planned unit developments in Lake Havasu, this does have underground utilities and natural gas. So Sun Lake Village falls into the popular lakeside of the highway area because there's just not a lot of through traffic over here. You either live here, you're lost, or you're on the way to the launch ramp. And so Windsor Launch Ramp is right down the street. You cannot do vacation rentals in here. There's 30-day minimum, so they can still cater to snowbirds in the winter. So you have a nice little travertine walkway. Let's go on in and check it out. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home, 1,949 square feet. Built in 2001. Obviously, they've done some remodeling, plank tile floors. Looks like they did quartz counters in the kitchen, new baseboards, fixtures. Looks like they even did all the doors and hardware. So you have a nice big open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, split floor plan. You have 2 bedrooms at the front and the master back here behind the living room. Nice plantation shutters throughout. Really nice big quartz countertops with a little eat-at section. Has a skylight. Looks like they did new cabinets as well. Have a little dining area, slider out to the backyard pool area. Looks like they did all new black stainless KitchenAid appliances. You have your laundry room and access to the garage. All the cabinets are soft touch close, by the way. Let's go check out the master. So you got the master at the rear of the house. Good size. Vaulted ceilings in here. Plantation shutters. Slider out to the backyard pool area. All the same plank tile floors, no carpet. So you have the master bath, same quartz counters, dual sinks, dual mirrors, big skylight, soaker tub. You have your toilet with its own door. Walk-in shower. So the shower and the bathtub are original. Got a big walk-in closet, has a skylight as well in here. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house.
What else did he say?
So it looks like you have big 8-foot sliders for the closet in both bedrooms. Both closets in both bedrooms are pretty much identical. All right, let's go check out the pool.
Where are you going for?
All right, so you have indoor laundry, brand new washer dryer, probably on natural gas. There is a skylight in here, same quartz counters and cabinets. They also did the can lights throughout the whole house. Forgot to mention LED can lights. All right, so you have a 2-car garage that's 29 feet deep, 8-foot door, all epoxy floors. Both doors are insulated. They have mini split AC units in here. So it doesn't say it on here, but there's another little deeper bay. I'm not sure, they didn't measure. So you have another mini split, all your water softener, water heater, RO system. So you have a step down RV garage, 44.5 feet deep, 14-foot door. Has a little utility sink and a 3rd bathroom. We'll check out in a second. Have Joe with Havasu Lock and Key doing all the locks here today. If you need a locksmith, he's your go-to guy in Havasu. Got some built-in shelving over here. So you have the 3rd bathroom off the back of the garage, and it also has a door out to the pool area. Joe's doing the lock, so I'll go out there in a second and check it out. All right, guys, so you have a nice little oversized covered patio. Has a ceiling fans, travertine decking. Real nice pool and spa. All real nice travertine coping and decking. Little umbrella bar holder. Killer outdoor tiled shower.
We're not sure yet. They better lock in some numbers. You know what I mean?
Got all your pool equipment and the stairs up to the view deck. So you have this cool view deck up here. Did a real nice job with it. Has down lights, water, power. Killer panoramic lake views. Have all your mini split condensers up here, as well as your main AC. So you have some amazing panoramic lake views from up here on the view deck. You can even see the opening of the river right there. Everybody loves to get stuck. Beautiful shot of Cupcake Mountain. This is shooting from the front of the view deck. They got rid of that little pellvery tree to have a real nice shot. You can see the opening of the river a little bit better from this shot. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Don Drive in Sun Lake Village. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the listing pictures, current price, availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.